Welcome to Vaniman Manufacturing. This is how to replace a Vaniman filter bag. First, remove the two screw knobs and set aside the cover. Second, grab the cardboard on the top of the filter bag and pull down the front portion first. Notice the gap below the grate. This space is for additional optional filters. These filters can be purchased separately. Third, slip the back portion of the cardboard in first, then snap in the front. Make sure it is snug tight. Be sure to look down the inlet tube. If you see the black seal, the filter bag will not work properly. Remove the bag and try again. Finally, make sure the filter bag is tucked in, then replace the cover and screw knobs. If you have any questions or concerns, you can call and speak with a technician at 760-723-1498. Thank you for watching from all of us at Vaniman Manufacturing.